If you're looking for a great cash flow project, a high-income property in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, right by the marina, the Fort Lauderdale Airport, and all major highways, this is one you need to see. This is in the greatest rental pocket in the county, and I want to take you and show you around right now. I am standing beside a great opportunity with two side-by-side duplexes, each of them offering two bedroom, one bathroom units, completely contained with kitchens. All the appliances are updated, in-unit washer dryer, and we are talking about units that have been completely redone from top to bottom. Brand new metal roofs, impact windows and doors throughout. Gorgeous, and each of them has their own private little fenced courtyard. So everything that you could possibly want for a great long-term rental property or short-term rental or even crew housing. Come take a look. The real value here is flexibility. You can buy one duplex or both and tailor the strategy to your goals. I have the full financials available for you with rent projections and ROI breakdown. All you need to do, if you're interested, just reach out and I'll be happy to send them right over. For now, it's Nikki Rietti, the Rietti Group of Coldwell Banker, bringing you the best opportunities. So thanks for listening. Thanks for existing. Peace out, y'all.